Hello guys, review smartphone Infnix Smart 7. This version 3GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Okay, look complementation. Device in the blue color. In complementation we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. On the front side 6.6-inch display, power button and warm buttons. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. We have IPS HD Plus resolution display, 60 Hz. And open settings. About phone, we have XOS 12.0.0, Android 12. In Antutu benchmark, we have these results. MediaTek Helio A22 this CPU and PowerVia GE8320 this GPU. Run the model game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Main camera we have 13 plus 2 megapixels. Let's see photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.